Arithmetic operators. A equal 10 assigns 10 to variable A. A equal 5 assigns 5 to variable B. These two variables are used to demonstrate arithmetic operators, which are symbols used to perform mathematical operators. So when we say arithmetic operators, so we're going to use the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus, and last exponent. So from the variables, we're going to add these to addition. So like for example sa addition, ang variable A and B, so gagamitan siya ng addition. So A, 10 plus 5. So yung output dito is 15. So kagaya lang ng addition, yung subtraction, multiplication, division, at modulus exponent. So i-add lang yung variable A and B. So sa subtraction is mag-subtract ang A at B. So parang i-subtract lang yung 10 at 5. Then yung multiplication, yung A and B, so i-subtract lang siya. So multiply ang 10 and 5. So our result is 50. So ito yung output natin sa arithmetic operators.